Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can unpublish your Wix website. Okay, so here we will begin in your dashboard. So this is your Wix uh, website dashboard. So what you're going to do is to search for the settings. So right here, click it, and you want to tap on website settings. Okay, click it, and you will see the status of the website. So it says the site is published. So if you want to unpublish it, just simply click this button, unpublish. So if you click this one, there will be a confirmation message. So if you want to publish it or unpublish it rather, so just click this button. Okay. Okay, now it says the site is unpublished. Okay, so that is how you're going to unpublish your Wix website. So if you like this video, just click the like button and click the subscribe button as well. Thank you very much.